So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the Steam invalid depot configuration. Now in order to get that fixed, just simply click on this option of Steam and hit on this option of check for Steam client updates. That the issue is definitely going to solve by this method, or if it does not, just simply go to the settings. Inside the settings, go to storage, and in here if you have multiple cache files stored for you, you'll find it right there. You'll get the options to clear all the cache files, or you can just simply find it manually just by doing inside the Windows settings, or hit on this option of the repair library. It will ask you for the permission, give the permission, and the repairing process has been started. So you can use these three methods to get your issue fixed in Steam.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.